Magandang buhay sa lahat. Liz can update, individually. Liza Soberano, with Rembrandt Flores. In attendance, at Revolve's Holiday Shop, grand opening, at The Grove, on November 14, 2024, at Los Angeles, California. Credit by Stephanie Keenan, Getty Images. Samantala, Enrique Hill, set to do a TV series next year. Ayon kay Ken, we're going to be shooting in Europe for it. For the pilot, it's going to be rom-com na may konting action. Enrique Hill shared that he will also be co-producing the TV series. He will be headlining next year. Ayon pa kay Ken nito, hindi niya hangad ang fame, mas pina-prioritize nito ang magkaroon ng family, being a good dad someday. Enrique Hill is one of a kind, he will be good dad and husband as well.